Watermark in Debut. To apply a watermark to your video, click the Adjust Watermark button beneath the preview screen to open the watermark dialog. Select Apply Watermark to Videos, browse to your image file, adjust the settings, and click OK. Continue watching this tutorial for additional details on adding a watermark. Open the watermark dialog by clicking on the watermark button beneath the preview or going to the Tools menu and selecting Watermark. Enter the file path of your image or click on the Browse button to navigate to your watermark image. Use the opacity slider to adjust the opacity of your watermark image. 0% is completely transparent and 100% is completely opaque. Check Keep Aspect Ratio to maintain the initial height and width ratio of the watermark image. You can adjust the watermark size and position by either a percentage of screen size or in pixels by selecting one of these choices in the drop-down. If you choose size and position in percentage of screen size, then you have the following choices. Horizontal alignment. Choose to position the watermark left, center, or right. Vertical alignment. Choose to position the watermark top, bottom, or middle. Use the Resize slider to set the watermark size anywhere from 1% to 100% of the screen size. In watermark margin percentage, enter the distance in percentage of the screen size you want the watermark to be from the margin. For example, if you have positioned the watermark right bottom, as you increase the margin percentage, the watermark will move toward the left top. If you have chosen center middle, the margin percentage will not move the watermark. If you choose size and position in pixels, then you have the following choices. In width pixels, set the width of the watermark in pixels. If Keep Aspect Ratio is checked, then this will proportionately change the height so as to maintain the aspect ratio. In height pixels, set the height in pixels. Likewise, if Keep Aspect Ratio is checked, changing height will change width. In horizontal position, set the distance in pixels of the watermark left side to the screen left side. In vertical position, set the distance in pixels of the watermark top side to the screen top side. Finally, click OK to apply your changes and view the preview of your watermark. For more Debut tutorials, visit the address shown on your screen.